The year was 1973. India, still a young republic, found itself grappling with a fundamental question: who ultimately holds the power to shape the constitution? This question lay at the heart of the landmark case of Rajendra Sharma vs. State of Kerala, a case that would forever alter the landscape of Indian constitutional law. At the core of the dispute was a series of constitutional amendments enacted by the Indian Parliament. These amendments, particularly those affecting property rights, were challenged by Rajendra Sharma and other petitioners. They argued that these amendments infringed upon the fundamental spirit and framework of the Constitution. This clash between the legislature's power to amend the Constitution and the judiciary's role in safeguarding its essence set the stage for a momentous legal battle. The case revolved around the interpretation of Article 368, the article that grants Parliament the power to amend the Constitution. Article 368 appeared to grant Parliament sweeping powers to amend the Constitution. However, the petitioners in Rajendra Sharma argued this power was not absolute. They contended that certain fundamental features formed its basic structure. Could there be limits on Parliament's power to amend the Constitution? The answer, according to the petitioners, was a resounding yes. They argued altering the basic structure would undermine democracy, justice, and liberty. The Supreme Court's decision in Rajendra Sharma would determine if this argument would stand. In a momentous decision, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the petitioners. The court recognized that while Parliament had wide powers to amend the Constitution, these powers were not unlimited. The court declared that certain fundamental features of the Constitution constituted its basic structure, features that could not be abrogated or destroyed even by constitutional amendments. This landmark ruling marked the birth of the Basic Structure Doctrine in Indian constitutional law. The court, in essence, drew a line in the sand, declaring that certain core principles of the Constitution were sacrosanct. This decision had profound implications for the balance of power between the legislature and the judiciary. The court's recognition of the Basic Structure Doctrine was a testament to its role as the guardian of the Constitution. It established that the judiciary had the power to review and, if necessary, strike down even constitutional amendments that violated the basic structure. Section 4. Pillars of the Constitution, defining the basic structure. The Supreme Court did not provide an exhaustive list of the basic structure. However, it identified key features, including supremacy of the Constitution, rule of law, secularism, democracy, federalism, judicial review. These features are essential to the Indian Constitution's identity and integrity. Section 5. A new era of judicial review. The Rajendra Sharma case and the Basic Structure Doctrine ushered in a new era of judicial review in India. The court's assertion of its power to review constitutional amendments significantly strengthened its role as the guardian of the Constitution. This landmark decision shifted the balance of power, giving the judiciary a more active role in shaping and safeguarding the constitutional landscape. The Basic Structure Doctrine has since become a cornerstone of Indian constitutional law. It has been cited and applied in numerous subsequent cases, serving as a bulwark against attempts to undermine the fundamental principles of the Constitution. The doctrine has not been without its critics, with some arguing that it gives the judiciary excessive power. However, supporters argue that the Basic Structure Doctrine is essential to protect the fundamental values of the Constitution from majoritarian impulses and ensure the continuity of its vision. Section 6. The enduring legacy of Rajendra Sharma. The Rajendra Sharma case stands as a testament to the enduring power of the Indian Constitution. It highlights the delicate balance between the powers of the legislature and the judiciary, and the crucial role of judicial review in a democracy. The Basic Structure Doctrine, born out of this landmark case, continues to shape the interpretation and application of the Indian Constitution. It serves as a reminder that while the Constitution is a living document capable of evolving with the times, certain fundamental principles must remain inviolable. The legacy of Rajendra Sharma is a reminder of the constant dialogue and dynamic tension that must exist between different branches of government in a democracy. It invites us to consider the enduring relevance and necessity of the Basic Structure Doctrine in safeguarding the spirit and values enshrined in the Indian Constitution.